Welcome back to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in ratio and proportion chapter, ratio and proportion, exercise 7b. Okay, question number 3. Find the value of x in each of the following. Number 1, 42 is to 12 is as 7 is to x. This symbol is read as is as. Okay, and 42 is to 12 we can write as 42 by 12. Is as we can write as equal to 7 is to x we can write as 7 by x. We are finding the value of x, so x will remain alone one side. For that, let us do cross multiplication at first. 42 into x, 42x, and 7 into 12, 7 into 12. Now, x we want to find the value, so let x be alone. 7 into 12 divided by 42. This 42 comes here in denominator. Okay, now 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Therefore x is equals to 2. Okay, now question number 2. 1.8 is to x is as 2.4 is to 6. Okay, 6.0 it is given as. So now 1.8 by x, this is as equal to 2.4 by 6. Okay, decimal part is neglected because it's 0 there. So 1.8 into 6 is equals to 2.4 into x. So we want x alone. X will be 1.8 into 6 divided by 2.4. This decimal and this decimal cancels. Okay, 6 1 is 6 4 is 24, 2 2 is 4, and 2 9 is 18. So 9 by 2, 9 by 2 is how much? Therefore x is equals to 9 by 2, which is equals to 4.5. Okay, now question number 3. 6 is to 0.8 is as x is to 10. 6 by 0.8 is equals to x by 10. We are looking for the value of x. So here this decimal will remove. For that, this will be 6 into 10 and here 8. X by 10. This becomes 60 by 8. 60 by 8 here is equals to x by 10. Okay, now this will be 60 into 10 by 8 into is equals to x. Okay, so here 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 0, 2 1 is 2 15 times. So 15 5 is 75. X is equals to 75. Okay, x is equals to 75. Now question number 4. Question number 4. X is to 1.6 is as 2.1 is to 8.4. Okay, so here x by 1.6 is equals to 2.1 by 8.4. Okay, so we are looking for the value of x. So x will keep it here, 2.1, this goes this side, into 1.6, 8.4. Okay, now here calculation part is there, so we can calculate it by 21 1 times, this 4 times, 4 ones are, and then 4 fours are 16. Okay, so x is equals to 0.4. Now 5 number 1 by 9 is to x is as 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 9 is to, we can write as divide x is equals to 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. Okay, so now 1 by 9 divide will make it multiplication, this becomes reciprocal means 1 by x. Okay, here 1 by 3, this becomes multiplication and this becomes reciprocal, that is denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Okay, so now this one became 1 by 9x and this one became 4 by 3. Now after this, here we can do, okay, so 1 by 9x is equals to 4 by 3. So it will be x comes this side, okay, 9 is here only, 4 comes this side, 3 goes here. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now 4 3s are 12. So x is equals to 1 by 12. 4 3s are 12. X is equals to 1 by 12. Okay, now question number 6 we have to do. Okay, question number 6 we have to do. 6 is here, 16 is to x is as x is to 25. Okay, 16 divided by x is equals to x by 25. Now cross multiplication, 16 into 25 and this is x into x. X into x is how much? X square. Okay, x into x is x square, and when this x square, let us write like this at first, x square is equals to 16 into 25. Now when this square goes to that side, it becomes square root. Okay, so square root of 16 and 25 we have to find. Factorize it. 2 8 times 2 4 times 2 2s times 2 1s. Okay, so now here pair you can see here, pair you have to see. Okay, for one pair 1 2, for another pair another 2, 2 2s are 4. For 16, the square root of 16 is 4, and similarly 25 you can calculate, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. For this one pair, let us write 1. Okay, square root of 25 is 5, so 5 4s are 20. Therefore x is equals to 20. Okay, square root part you have to see here. All right, you have to factorize it and pair it and then multiply and then write here. Okay, so this completes question number 3. Question number 4. Find the fourth proportional to number 1 4 comma 9 comma 32. Fourth means after this, fourth proportional means after this what comes. Okay, so let that be, let fourth proportion be x. Okay, so we can write 4 comma 9 comma 32 comma x, and we can write if they are in proportion, then 4 by 9 is equals to 32 by x. Okay, cross multiplication, x comes this side, 32, 9 comes this side, 4 comes in the denominator. Okay, this is 4 comes in the denominator. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32, 9 8s are 72. Therefore x, that is fourth proportion, is 72. Now question number 2 I can do here. Okay, do 2 number 15 comma 6 7 comma, let it be x. Okay, let the fourth proportion be x here. Okay, this is question is 15 comma 6 comma 7. All right, and let x be the fourth proportion. Okay, then 15 comma 6 comma 7 comma x. Okay, now x we have to find, and 15 by 6, if they are in proportion, this will be true. 15 by 6 is equals to 7 by x. X comes this side, 7 into 6 by 15. Okay, now by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. This is 14 by 5. 14 by 5. X is equals to 14 by 5. If we divide it, then 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 42. We are getting 2.8. X as therefore x we are getting 2.8. Okay. Question number 3 we can do here. Question number 3. Question is 0.6. We have to find fourth proportion. 0.6 comma 1.5 comma 3. Okay, so let fourth proportion be x. Okay, then this will be 0.6 comma 1.5 comma 3 comma x, and if they are in proportion, 0.6 by 1.5 will be equal to 3 by x. Okay, now x we are finding the value. X will be here alone. Okay, and 3 into this 1.5, it comes to numerator, this goes to denominator, other side. Okay, now the calculation we have to do. This decimal and decimal cancels. Now 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 by 2 it came, 15 by 2 it came. 15 if you divide it by 2 we'll get 7.5. Therefore x is equals to 7.5. Question number 4. 1 by 3 comma 2 by 5 comma 6. Okay, let fourth proportion be x, then 1 by 3 comma 2 by 5 comma 6 comma x. Okay, if they are in proportion, then this will be true. 1 by 3 is to 2 by 5 is equals to 6 is to x. So we can write this one as 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 is equals to 6 by x. This side 1 by 3, little simplify, this changes to into sign, and this 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2 as the reciprocal of this. Okay, so 6 by x, here 5 1s are 5, 3 2s are 6, and 6 by x this side. Now x will remain here, this 6 and this 6 and this 5 here. Okay, so 36 by 5 we are getting. If we divide it, then we'll get x as 7.2. Okay, 5 7s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 7s are 35, 1 comes in, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so this is okay only. Now question number 5 we can see here. Question number 5 is 2 whole 1 by 2 comma 2 whole 6 by 7 comma 3 whole 1 by 2. Let the fourth proportion be x. Okay, then if these are in proportion, then we can write simplified form of this one. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 is to 7 2s are 14 14 plus 6 20 by 7 is equals to 3 2s are 6 7 by 2 and x. Okay, is to x. Now this simplification is there. 5 by 2 divided by 20 by 7 7 by 2 divided by x. Okay, I am showing you the steps. You can skip if you know this portion. Okay, now 5 by 2 into 7 by 20 this side. This is 7 by 2 into 1 by x. This is 1 here. Okay, 1 by x. Now 5 1s are 5 5 4s are 20 here. So 7 1s are 7 4 2s are 8 is equals to 7 1s are 7 and 2x. Okay, so x goes this side and 7 into this 8 divided by 2 is here only, and then this 7 7 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s are, therefore x is equals to 4 we got. Yes or no? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 3 hours 12 minutes comma 24 minutes and 1 meter 68 centimeter. Okay, so this is 6 number. Here the units hour, minute and minute. So let us convert this one into minute. In 1 hour 60 minutes are there. So 60 into 3 plus 12, this one, and this is 24 only. This also we have to change. Meter it is there and centimeters is there. So 1 meter we are having 100 centimeter. 100 plus 68, this becomes 100 plus 68, so this becomes 180. 60 into 3 is 180 plus 12. Okay, here is 24, this one is 168, this becomes 180 plus 12 192, this is 24 and 168. Let the fourth proportion be x. Okay, then we can write 192 by 24 is equals to 168 by x. If they are in proportion, we can write like this. Now x we have to find. X comes this side, and 168 into this 24 goes that side. 192 comes in the denominator. Okay, now we have to cancel it. So 24 one time, 24 8 times, 8 ones are, and 8 21 times. Okay, so here x is equals to how much we got? X is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay, so this completes your question number 4. Do revise the steps, and if you feel easy you can skip the steps like this portion. Directly you can write this conversion, you can do in rough. Okay, directly you can write this and then you can do the calculation part, but you have to show in rough how you have changed these all things. Okay, question number 5. Find the mean proportion between number 1 81 and 121. Okay, now here mean we have to find. So this we can write as 81 is to x is as x is to 121. We have to find the mean proportion. This we have to find. So that's why we wrote here x. Okay, so we can assume it as let the mean proportion be x. All right, then we can write like this. Now after this, 81 by x is equals to becomes is equals to here x by 121. Product of means is equals to product of extremes also you can apply here. Okay, so now 80 we are finding x, so 81 cross multiplication, 81 into 121 is equals to x into x is x square. So here 81 into 121, this side x into x, this becomes x square, and let it be like this only. Okay, so when x square goes that side, when x square goes that side, this square goes that side, it becomes square root. Square root of 81 and 121 we have to find here. 81, okay, by 3 it goes, it is an odd number, so 2 will not divide it. By 3 we can try. 3 2 is 6 and 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, so 3 1 is 3. Here you have to take 3 3 3 3 is 9, so the square root of 81 is 9 and 121 is 11. 11 times is 121, so 11 1 pair, so 1 11 you can write here into 11. Okay, square root of 121 is 11, so that is why 9 into 11 is 99. That is why x is equals to, here becomes x, therefore x is equals to 99. Okay, you can revise this. Question number 2, 1.8 and 0.2, we have to find the mean. So let the mean proportion be x. Let the mean proportion be x, and 1.8 is to x is as x is to 0.2. So if they are in proportion, we can write it as 1.8 by x is equals to x by 0.2. Now 1.8 into 0.2, we can write it as x square, x into x, x square. So square root of x will be this side, it goes and it becomes square root. So square root of 1.8 into 0.2, 1.8 into 0.2 you can calculate here, you will get 0.36. okay, square root of 0.36 is equals to, you can make it as 36 by 100. Square root of 36 you can find out, square root of 100 you can find out here. Okay, you can find out here now, so it becomes 0.36 here. So square root of 36 you can find out here, 2 18 times 2 9 times 3 3 is a 3 1 is. Okay, so here 2 here 3, so it is 6, and square root of 100 is 10 10 is. Okay, so 10 is the one, so this will be, this can be written as square root of 36 by 100. So square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 100 is 10. So in decimal we can write 0.6. So therefore x is equals to 0.6. Okay, now 3 number, 2 by 3 and 8 by 27, we have to find the mean. Let the mean proportion be x. Okay, so here 2 by 3 is to x, if they are in proportion we can write equal to x is to 8 by 27. Now 2 by 3 into 1 by x, here x by 1 is there, into 27 by 8. this becomes reciprocal. This becomes reciprocal. While changing the sign, is to I have taken as division sign, so I have multiplied here. Okay, I have changed the sign into and it became reciprocal. Okay, so here 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into x is 3x, and here 27 into x is 27x, and 8 ones are 8. Okay, so now we are finding x. So what we have to do is we have to keep x alone. This 8 goes this side, 2 into 8, and here 3 is there. This x goes that side, x into x, 24, 27 comes here. Okay, so here what happens? 8 2 is 16, 27 3 times is 81, and here is x square. So square root of 16 by 81, because I'm just writing this one this side and square goes that side, becomes square root. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 81 is 9. You can calculate here by factorizing it. Okay, see this yourself, it will come 4 by 9. Okay, next number is 4 number, 0.32 and 0.08. Okay, let the mean proportion, let the mean proportion be x. Okay, let the mean proportion be x. Now if they are in proportion, we can write 0.32 is to x is equals to x is to 0.08, and 0.32 divided by x is equals to x divided by 0.08. So here also 0.32 into 0.08 is equals to x square. Okay, so now x, we can find x is equals to x square is equals to this, you multiply here 0.32 into 0.08, you multiply here, you will get 0.0256. it will be equal to 0.0256. okay, so square root of this one you have to find 0.0256. so change this decimal, 256 divided by 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros here. Okay, square root of 256, square root of 256 you find out here, you will get 16. This will be equal to 16, and square root of 10,000 is equals to 100. Okay, so put the decimal here, 0.16. change this fraction to decimal number, 0.16 we are getting. Okay, so this is question number 5. Now we'll go for question number 5. This is question number 4. We'll go for question number 5 now. 4 5 5 5 5 5. This is 5 5 5 5. Okay, 1 by 25 and 1 by 16. We have to find the mean. Let the mean proportion be x. Okay, let the mean proportion be x. Now 1 by, if they are in proportion, 1 by 25 is to x is equals to x is to 1 by 16. Okay, 1 by 25 into 1 by x this side, this is x by 1 into 16 by 1. Okay, I am changing the sign and this becomes reciprocal. Denominator goes to numerator, numerator comes to denominator. Okay, so this way 1 1 is 1, 25 into x 25x, 16 into x is 16x, 1 1 is 1. Okay, now we are finding x, so x we have to keep alone, x and x here, and 1 1 is 1, 25 here only into 16, this comes this side. Okay, so x square is equals to 1 by 25 into 16, and x will be equal to square root of 1 by 25 into 16. Okay, square root of 1 is 1 only, Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. So here we get the answer 1 by 20. Okay, square root you just find out here. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 16 also. Similarly, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are this one pair, this one pair, 2 2s are 4. 4 is the square root. So here we have completed question number 5. Now we'll go for question number 6. Find the third proportional to number 1, 36, 12. Now here third proportion we have to find. After this what comes? Okay, let that be, let the third proportional be x. Okay, let the third proportion be x. Then we can write 36 is to 12 is equals to 12 is to x. When we find third proportion in this format, you write 36 is to 12 is equals to 12 is to x. Okay, now x we have to find. Let us go for product of means and product of extremes. We know, let us take the help of this. Okay, product of means is equals to product of extremes. Okay, product of means is here, these two are means. 12 into 12 is equals to extremes is 36 and x, 36 into x. Okay, now we are finding x. 36 comes here in denominator, and here 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. So therefore x is equals to how much? 4. Okay, x is equals to 4. Question number 2 now. Question number 2. Okay, 1.2, 0.6. we are finding the third proportion. Let the third proportion be x. Okay, then if they are in proportion, then we can write 1.2 is to 0.6 is as 0.6 is to x. Now again we know product of, if they are in proportion, product of means will be equal to product of extremes. Okay, so 1.2 into 1.2 into x. Okay, no, here is means, so 0.6 into 0.6 will be equal to 1.2 into x. So x we are looking for, x will be here 0.6 into 0.6 divided by 1.2. This decimal and this decimal goes 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 0.3 times here. Therefore x is equals to 0.3. Okay, so remaining we'll do in next video class. Thank you.